Using tracer gas to detect leaks in the automotive AC system is a cost-effective and efficient method of detecting minuscule and hard-to-reach leaks. Adding tracer gas to the AC system increases pressure, releasing gas through any openings in the system that can be detected with an electronic tracer gas leak detector. It is important to use the correct equipment and follow safety procedures. GPD's Tracer Gas Leak Regulator Kit includes service equipment for R134 and R1234YF systems. Tracer gas is a non-flammable 5% hydrogen, 95% nitrogen gas mixture. You must use a leak detector dedicated for nitrogen. Refrigerant leak detectors will not detect nitrogen, and nitrogen detectors will not detect R134 and R1234YF. Here we have a model system for demonstration purposes. It's got all the major components of an automotive AC system. We're going to use this. We're going to fill it up with tracer gas and check for leaks. Evacuate refrigerant from the system. If there's any residual refrigerant left in the system, this must be recovered prior to following this procedure. Ensure the tracer gas cylinder is secure in a position where it cannot fall over. Ensure the regulator valve is wound fully out, counterclockwise. Fit the regulator to the cylinder and fit gauges to the system. Attach service hose to nitrogen cylinder and attach appropriate refrigerant coupler adapter to high side. Open the system valves and open the high side manifold valve. Open the nitrogen cylinder valve and slowly wind the nitrogen regulator clockwise to pressurize the system. Pressurize the system in stages of no more than 45 psi at a time, up to 150 psi. Listen for audible pressure loss at every pressure increment increase. Watch the gauge for pressure loss. Maintain the system at 100 psi for the duration of the test. So once we have the right amount of tracer gas in the system, we're going to go ahead and shut off the valve. We'll shut off the low side gauge. So at this point, we can begin our leak test. I already have the nitrogen leak detector set, ready to go. And so we'll just go along checking. So we found a leak there. I'm going to go slowly across all the joints, hoses, anywhere there's an O-ring. Always check the same area a few times to make sure you're not getting any false readings. Repairs should not be made with the system pressurized. Now you can evacuate the system and charge it with refrigerant. Learn more through gpdtechtips.com or your local Global Parts distributor.